Welcome to Alafisun TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
The death of Ubert Wigu, his wife and son, on the same day, supposed to be a colossal loss to the RCCG City of David, where Pastor Iluyomade as the pastor in charge of the church. Many people are angry and venting their angers online, seeing the pastor's wife celebrating 60 years birthday. His wife, Siju Iluyomade. The question many have been asking is that, what of if the incident that happened to be her husband and son? What will she do? Is she going to continue celebrating 60 years birthday, as she has said that she can only celebrate 60 years birthday once in her lifetime? Many has been asking serious question online, saying that she could have postponed this birthday party to a week, 2 weeks, or a month after the final burial of Ubert Wigu, because Ubert Wigu is a prominent member in the church, the city of David, the wife and the children. They are not just ordinary members, they are prominent and financier of the church. Ubert Wigu spent over 500 million to finance the church member in various aspects in one thing or the other. There are some that Ubert Wigu paid their school fees. There are some that he set up business for them to make sure that they live well as a member of RCCG City of David. But the pastor Iluyomade and the wife Siju Iluyomade did something opposite. Instead, to observe some days, months before they flaunt this flamboyant birthday, which some people see as carnal birthday because of the kind of people that they invite. The birthday witnessed some secular artists, not even one single gospel artist graced the occasion. A lot of people have been complaining that the pastor celebrated birthday like just ordinary worldly person. That even as a Christian, not even talk about a minister's wife, that the birthday is supposed to glorify God. Many have been asking a lot of questions online. Another question many people are asking is that the pastor in charge of the church lost 3 prominent members, which is almost a family. They cannot even feel sympathy for them. They still went ahead to celebrate the party, which is the birthday party. Many are saying, does that mean the pastors are after Wigu's money and influence, not to sympathize with the family? When Wigu was alive, he has spent over 500 million on the church member and pastor member and on the church, and the pastor, the same member that he has spent over, could not attend his final burial ceremony. Ubert Wigu supports the newly built ultramodern auditorium, that is City of David, with millions of naira for the completion of the project. Even the pastor Iluyomade also confessed that Wigu supported the church in every aspect, ranging from financing the church, choir member, paying the school fees, and so many other things for the progress of the church, while commending what Ubert Wigu did while he was alive. He said so many good things about Ubert Wigu. But the question many people have been asking is that when the pastor know that Ubert Wigu has done a lot of things like this, from financing the church, choir, member, paying the school fees, and so many other things for the progress of the church, while commending what Ubert Wigu did while he was alive. In the same time, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, has also instructed Pastor Iluyomade to resign. He insisted that he cannot do that based on what we have.
Comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.